Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make some quarter size and half size modular interlocking landscape plates or MILS plates for today's Lego brick tutorial. For a quarter size MILS plate, start with the 16 by 16 stud base plate. Now I'm going to take several of these 1x4 Technic brick. We're going to place 2 on each side where I'm leaving a 2x2 opening on the edges. Now these are going to be used to attach to other MILS plates of various sizes. Place this last one here. Now I'm going to fill in the corners with 4 2x2 bricks just to fill up this area. Now take several 2x4 bricks. We're going to fill in these spots right here. And let's take 4 more 2x2 bricks. I'm going to place these in here like so. Now, these are just going to be used to add some support to our plate we're going to be setting on top. And let's crown it off with a 16 by 16 stud plate. And yes, you're really going to have to muscle that down in there. So you have to slowly get that firmly attached. And yes, it is very squeaky, very crunchy. Now some people like that noise. There we go. There's our 16 by 16 stud MILS plate. Now for our half MILS plate, we're going to start with a few 1x4 Technic bricks. We're going to place 2 on the top to where we have a 2 stud reveal in the corners. We're going to place some on the left and right hand sides. So this will attach to the quarter MILS plate as well as the full MILS plate. And place these at the bottom. Now we're going to take 4 2x2 bricks. We're going to fill in the 4 corners. And we're going to fill in the remaining areas with a few 2x4 bricks. Let's fill in the field with several 2x2 bricks. Now what I want to do is line these up with the center of the 2x4 bricks. These are going to add a little extra support. And we're just going to branch outwards. And we're going to take a pair of 16 by 16 stud plates. Now if everything went well, these should land right in the center of the 2x2 bricks. Now you want to press these in very slow. Press that down firm. Put the other one on the other side. Very crunchy, huh? I got to lock all those studs in those tubes. There we go. Now we got a nice sturdy MILS plate. 16 by 32 studs. Here in the middle I have a 32 by 32 stud MILS plate. I have a tutorial for this one in a separate video. I'm going to start attaching these plates together with some Technic friction pins. Place these in here. These will just snap in place. And I'm just going to place these in here. And we can just slide these onto the sides of these as well. Now the point of this is to make different size MILS plates for different size projects. And then we can take our 16 by 32 stud MILS plate and we'll lock this in as well. Slide that right in place and we have ourselves a nice sturdy base to build off of using different size MILS plates.